Before I get into the unboxing real quick, I'm just gonna say sorry that I've been absent for I think 2 months. That's just because since school has started, it's been really hard to actually be recording stuff, and since I'm not getting dinosaur toys too much, I'm not being able to do toy reviews. So I am focusing on more types. I'm not gonna do reaction videos anymore. I did one on 2020 and it ended up a total failure. So in 2024, which was this year, I deleted it so you didn't need to watch all that horror. I am also planning to do gaming videos. I think they'll be here on 2025, so next year. I'm going to use an iRecord app to actually do those ones. I'm planning to do another one I have done some recordings, but I have not uploaded them yet. Don't worry, I'm not going to have you wait, but you are going to have to wait, but like not that much. Anyway, let's get to the point. What am I going to unbox anyways? This is not really relatively new, but this is the 93 Classics Jurassic World Red T-Rex. This was from the Jurassic World 30th anniversary, which was last year probably. So this is a red T-Rex. On the back is a little different because it's not a little, it's a lot different because of the scenery, and it has all these figures here. Now let's open this T-Rex up. Alright. Oh gosh! Whoopsies, that was weird. Okay, so now alright, we got to unlock the little thingy that was like little locks that secure the T-Rex's feet. Alright, I think oh gosh, is there a tape thing? What the heck? Am I supposed to like... Oh, there we go. I think it worked. Wow. Wow, I can't even unlock the guy. Okay, wait. Like, if I go... Oh, okay, I did it. Well, that took, like, somewhat of time. But I got the T-Rex. Alright. This is the red T-Rex. And also, if you're noticing, this is not hard plastic. The T-Rex right here is made, some of it is made out of rubber. Made out of, like, a flexible material, which is like rubber. Which, I think you can hear it. Okay, there's also some stuff here. So for the overall sculpt, the overall sculpt is good, but for like the colors, to be honest, I'm not a fan of the coloring, but you know what? It looks good. The patterns. The only reason why I don't really say much bad stuff about design because don't really go much of perfection. I just like it's not just color, it's also pattern as well. The pattern looks good, but color could have been better, and this could have been better because of this little yellow underbelly could have extended to this part of the tail. That could have been really good, and maybe parts of the neck. For the mouth looks good. He does not have painted nails. He does have painted toenails. For the articulation, we have there's the opening mouth. You can open that. This one has a neck articulation, which doesn't stay. So yeah, this is one of the ones that can move but won't stay. You can go up. You can bend it. arms can go 360, but can also go in outwards and inwards. Can also move his feet. Snap. Oh my gosh. There we go. And feet move as well. The tail is a bendy wire, unlike it doesn't happen here, but it does happen here, which there we go, bendy wire, which ends here. Pretty cool. So yeah, this neck little rubber thing does not stay, but the tail can stay. Bendy wire. So it has two features. First is the roar, which there's a button. It doesn't open his mouth, but it does roar. Always different. I think we're done with that. Second thing is that you can actually fit people in here and just just do and just probably take them out of the stomach. Oh my gosh. It's hollow. Obviously it's hollow in there so the person can fit, and then you can take him out. I like it. I mean, also the scan code, but this is on the leg. This is on the leg. It's pretty cool. You can make it to really good action poses. There's a lot. And I actually feel like it's one of my favorite T-Rexes. Probably my second favorite or third. If what do you think is my favorite? Probably wait until probably New Year's, because obviously in New Year's I will always put out like how many dinosaurs I've gone, which will show like all the dinosaurs I've gone for over the years, as well as some dinosaurs I've gone this year that I've not shown you before. I have like around like 30 or 20 dinosaurs I've not shown in the channel. One of them, I'm not gonna spoil it, but I have like loads of them. Oh yeah, also I forgot about the legs. They can also spread. That's a really cool feature. Like, I like how the big dinosaurs, most of them can just spread their feet. So overall, this T-Rex is really good. Good, to be honest. It's really good size. I don't know the sizes, but I mean, maybe I could try and find out, but it's pretty big, and I mean, obviously, just like any other T-Rex, it stands. Because if it didn't, it would be bad. Anyways, that's it for this video. Like and subscribe. I'm trying to get to 300. The reason why, because I'm not really wanting to get into like too much subscribers, since you know the content I made is not really that good and people won't get interested too much. But for those that want to support, like, subscribe, turn on notifications, stay tuned. I think my next video, I'm planning to do a video on next month, whenever that day is. I don't know. I might also do one at the end of October, which I might decide to, might decide not to, but that's in the future. Stay tuned for more, and stay tuned soon for what's going to come to the future, as I am going to, on probably after next week, I'm going to tell you what I'm going to plan to on the next year, and how will my uploading schedule will be, and so far stay tuned for more. So that's it.